Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account using the latest Facebook settings. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logging into your account. First, open your Facebook app and tap on profile icon and scroll up, tap on three-line option. Scroll down, then tap on setting and privacy, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on account center, scroll down, select manage account, select your Facebook manage, tap on manage, tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select your choice, deactivate account or delete account. Tap on delete account, select and tap on continue. Scroll down, again tap on continue. Tap on my account was hacked, select continue. Again continue, scroll down, again continue and see. Now enter your password here and tap on continue. I hope your Facebook account permanently deleted. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Thank you.